Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AEON token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AEON is building a universal crypto settlement layer that enables user and AI agents to pay real-world merchants with digital assets. Its infrastructure connects blockchain-based liquidity with existing merchant payment system, allowing crypto payments to be used across both online and offline commerce. AEON is designed to address the fragmentation between crypto assets, blockchain networks, wallets, exchanges, and loyal payment infrastructure. A user may hold assets on one blockchain while a merchant accepts settlement through another blockchain. A bank account, an electronic wallet, or a local acquiring network. AEON coordinates payments, routing, assets conversion, verification, and settlement between these systems. The infrastructure is supported by unified node network that processes the unified transaction across on-chain and off-chain environments. Smart contracts are used to confirm transaction coordination and settlement outcomes, while payments connections allow merchants to continue receiving funds through system compatible with their existing operations. AEON token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 188 million AEON token. AEON token is listed on Binance Alpha, OKX, KuCoin, Gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.